Hi, I'm Evie. I'm the QA technician here at PCL. PCL are the lead in the manufacture and design of airline accessories, compressed air products and tyre inflation products. We supply for industrial, petrol forecourt and general automotive equipment in Sheffield. So my journey from education to PCL, firstly after my GCSEs I went into sixth form, not really sure of what I wanted to do. I studied biology and psychology just because I thought they'd be interesting. I found that uni wasn't really for me, so I was researching different opportunities. From there I went to a job fair there and PCL had a stall and they informed me about what they do and what roles were available. I really enjoy the problem-solving part of my job. So when people come to me with a faulty component or a faulty product, I like to lead and try and find out the solution. I enjoy the opportunities available here at PCL. I've been recently on a couple of courses such as manual handling, fire warden training and metrology training, so I really enjoy the growth and the knowledge that I'm getting with the industry and with PCL itself. An important skill that is required in my job role is being able to work as a team, being able to communicate well with one another when a problem is faced so that it can be resolved and prevented from happening again in the future. There's a wide range of jobs available in this sector. Here at PCL we have the distribution team from pickers and packers, we have the machine operators, the engineer that repairs the machines, we have engineers that design the products and assemblers that obviously assemble the products. And then we have the support staff such as HR team, IT, the quality team and finance, and so yeah, there's many different opportunities here at PCL. Apprenticeships are available. You can go to different job fairs and find out what's out there. So I would recommend researching stuff to do that isn't just university, and it can present you with a lot more opportunities as well.